Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to turn on Android camera grid lines and instantly take straighter, cleaner and more professional looking photos. If your pictures sometimes appear crooked or unbalanced, this hidden camera feature can make a huge difference. First, open the camera app on your Android phone. Once the camera screen opens, look for the More option or the Settings icon, usually located in the top or side corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter the camera settings menu. Inside the settings page, scroll down until you find an option called Composition Guide, Grid Lines, or Level. Different Android brands may use slightly different names, but the feature works the same way. Now tap on that option. By default, the feature is usually turned off. After opening it, you may see multiple choices such as Level Only Grid Lines, Only Grid Lines, and Level Select. Grid lines and level for the best photography experience. Immediately you'll notice horizontal and vertical guidelines appearing on the camera screen. These lines help you keep your shots straight, center your subject properly, and improve overall photo composition. Professional photographers often use this technique called the rule of thirds to create balanced and visually appealing photos. It's perfect for portraits, landscapes, selfies, travel photography, and even video recording. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful Android tips and camera tricks.